Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be working on the back of this thing. I am going to be tinting my tail lights. I think I kind of break up the orange a lot more too. And it's just a little cheap thing I can do real quick to it. Got this cool sticker right here. Low Love Life. So it's obviously my channel. But I'm going to put that on the car too. I don't know where though yet. So let's just jump into this. Probably going to have to pull out the tail lights and everything like that, obviously. So, yep. Let's do this. Yeah, I think so. Doing this, Matthew? I'll hold it down here. On this side. Got it. Oh no, we just lost it. Cool. Can you not get it off? Yeah, I put it on the screws. Oh, I did. Alright, so we got the tail lights pulled out. I'm gonna try and get these ones out. We're gonna figure it out, but yeah. Alright, grab a screwdriver, like a Phillips. It's like one, two screws. Is it recording? That's not recording, is it?
It's recording.
Oh, God, it's been. Bro, what is this?
What is
Do
it?
you not see the end of that? Oh, my
I wasn't
God.
looking. My bad.
No, fucking look next time. Oh, man. Like, I would have been more happy if you brought me back this thing. Ah. You want to try the next one, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
That's my shit.
Put these right here.
No. You'll lose it right there, bro.
Dude, bro.
See, I don't like that.
Dude, bro.
Dude, bro.
Oh, why is it untight, bro?
Bro, why are you tightening it for?
I should put that. I'm probably using this line.
Oh.
Thinking maybe a slide down.
Hold on, nothing happens.
It's just tight in there, huh?
Yeah, basically. I like it. All like that.
This red thing's coming off. The red tint on the outside.
What? Alright, so we're gonna wax and grease remove it now. Damn, this actually looks pretty good now. Might just keep them like that. Alright, so we're gonna start on with the first coat. Whoa, that stuff is strong. Man, I already like it.
Looks like the Volkswagen.
Nah, not that big. Whoa, bro. I think I think those are starting to look really good. What do you think, Beard?
Looks good.
He thinks it looks good. We're both thinking we should shoot one more coat on it, make them really dark. So that's what we're going to do. Oh no, those are blacked out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, I like them. It's gonna make the car look better. It's gonna make the orange pop. Boom. Alright, so I let them dry for a couple hours. It's been about probably 2.5 hours actually. So I think they're good and dry. I haven't touched them yet. Light it off. Turn the right blinker on. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so found another thing I could paint black with that lens tint. The blinkers. I think they look pretty good. They're not too dark. I mean, they're pretty dark, but I mean, you could still see red through it. Just it's probably because the tail lights are on, but still, yeah. Oh yeah, I already went ahead and threw this marker light in. Alright, let's check. I need to fix the gap on this headlight over here. I can stick my whole finger in there. Not really a big fan of that. Honestly, don't know what's wrong with it. That looks like that's too far out. Whoa. Yeah, that's going to take some looking into. I don't want to do it right now, though. Alright, so that's going to be a wrap for this video, everyone. It's kind of short and simple just because, you know, it's taillights and we just painted them. But I think it gives it an aggressive look. I like it anyways. I need to take it to a car wash or just wash it here or something because it's muddy. And, yeah, we got some big things coming for the next video, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos, please go watch those. I'd really, really appreciate that. And go comment, like, whatever y'all want to do to them. So I'm going to get out of here. Y'all stay safe out there.